With traveling becoming harder, let's talk about the best ways to redeem your membership points right now. Sure, redeeming through travel partners or even the Amex travel site are both great ways to maximize your points, but times are changing and the way you should use your points might be changing too. Welcome or welcome back. This channel is all about maximizing your money, whether that's through credit cards, investing, or even money management skills to ultimately help you reach your financial goals. Also, your time is important, so watch this video faster, but if you got an extra minute or so, stick around to the end because I'm going to be doing a live walkthrough of how I'm redeeming the points. So usually redeeming your membership reward points through Amazon is not something I would recommend just because there is a terrible conversion rate. But by just using one single Amex point, that's right, one single Amex point, we can get 40% off up to a maximum discount of $50 right now. And I think this is a really great promotional discount. And if you guys click the link in the description down below, it will bring you to this page that I am right now. And from here, what we need to do is click activate now, obviously to activate the account or activate the deal on our account. So for the eligible products, it needs to be sold and shipped by Amazon.com. And then, of course, the last part of this is using membership reward points at checkout. But I'm going to be showing you guys how by just using one membership point, I am still able to qualify for that 40% off up to $50. So right now, we are going to click the magical yellow button of activate now. Sweet. So it's going to say this promo code is now activated and your points will be applied at checkout. Please continue shopping. Okay, so for those of you who might be confused of what the eligible products might be and what they might not be, I've already preloaded some tabs to just go through some examples of how to know whether this discount will be applied before going through the cart and going through all these steps just to find out it's not included. So as said earlier, it needs to be shipped and sold by Amazon. So here we can see this old phone that has 2 gig dual SIM. It's only $20, actually, pretty good deal. It is shipped from Amazon, but sold by Jamrick. So this will be a case where the 40% discount would not be applied. Whereas something like this mid-weight hooded sweatshirt, it's pretty nice actually. I might buy this. We can see that it is, if we click free 1-day delivery, it is actually shipped from Amazon and sold by Amazon.com. So this is a type of product that would be eligible for that 40% discount. And just to provide one more example before checking out, this is the short sleeve Henley t-shirt, some random t-shirt I found, but it's shipped from Amazon once again, but not sold by them. Nitagut. I don't know how to say that, but this would be another example where this isn't, the discount wouldn't be applied. So now this is the last example, but fortunately this is also shipped and sold by Amazon. So I'm going to go and add this to my cart to show you guys the process of what it looks like to get that discount actually applied. So I'm adding it to my cart. It's asking me for a something discount plan. No thanks, man. And then from there, I'm going to my cart to just verify that this is the only thing there. Proceed to checkout. And from here, we can see that it automatically charges all my Amex reward points to the order total, which is not what we want. This is not what we want to do. And we want to change the amount. And since we can't put the points, we're just going to put 1 cent, which will come out to 1 point, as we can see right here. So by just paying 1 cent with my Amex rewards point, I'm only actually using 1 point now. And the item total is $140. I got that 40% off of $50 coming. So my total is now $95. And I use the reward point of 1 cent. So not huge reward point redemption right there, but I did get that 40% off. And of course, just your usual, you pick your shipping and place your order. And for those of you who are lazy and don't want to do some math, I did that for you guys. You need to spend at least $125 to get that maximum $50 discount because it is only 40% off. So anything above $125, you will be getting that full $50, but anything below, you will only be getting less than $50. So really not maximizing on your total discount offer. So this is a limited time offer. It's up to 50,000 people. So if you're the 50,001 person, you won't get this offer, or This offer goes till December 31st, 2020. Whichever comes first is when this offer will expire. So please, all my subscribers and my viewers, act fast if you do have some membership reward points, because just getting $50 off on a pair of speakers that I think sell for $170 and being able to buy it for $95 using one membership point, I think is a great deal right now. And a lot of people have Amazon Prime rewards or Prime membership, so take advantage of this when you can. That's all I got for today's video. If you haven't already smashed the like button, please do. It's a great way of me knowing if I am actually putting valuable content out there. And yeah, as always, peace.